So basically, we're going to solve AMC 8 21, question 21. Steph scored 15 baskets out of 20 attempts in the first half of the game and 10 baskets out of 10 attempts in the second half. Camden's took 12 attempts in the first half and 18 attempts in the second. In each half, Steph scored a higher percentage of baskets than Camden's. Surprisingly, they ended with the same overall percentage of baskets scored. How many more baskets did Camden score in the second half than in the first? Okay, so I feel like there could be two ways that we could go here. One way is that we just find, let's just say, we find Steph, add them up, and then we find the total percentage, or on the other hand, we can just find, the two boxes just all together maybe. And now we can just make, equations basically, you know? We can say, 20 over 15 is, bigger than 12 over that, which would actually be okay. The way I want to take it is personally the second way because it works better as I've already solved it. So we're just going to solve the second way. The first way, it doesn't work out that well. And it leaves you with one equation with two different numbers that you don't know what they are. It's like an x plus y equation without the two equations that you need to solve it. You only get one equation. So the second one surprisingly works way better. Okay, so now we're going to solve this question, and then let's go. Okay, so Steph, right? Let's look at the first half. Is 2015, and then Camden's. Obviously, Camden's would look like he's losing here, but then as we see, the end results are that they both tied actually, which is really surprising. Yeah. And anyways, now we know that it's 12. We know that Steph scored higher, but we're going to make the denominators the same, which means that we're going to times 5 for this one and times 3 for this one. Make the denominator a 60. Oh, sorry, guys. 45, 12, 5, that thing. The next half is Steph and Camden's. We know that the second half is 10-10, which is full out of 10. Let's just name that a circle because we might get confused, you know? Times 5, times 9. Probably a bad idea. Yeah, it's kind of a bad idea, but... So these are our last two equations. Oh, guys, I'm so sorry. Right. Which leads us to the fact that it's 9 and 18. Well, what's 18 minus 9? It's 9. So the answer is C. It's actually just 9. And guys, AMC 8, it doesn't challenge deep enough under the ocean level maybe. It goes towards the ocean level, but it's just okay. You see that here, I didn't find the actual numbers. Well, I did find the actual numbers, 9 and 18, but it's not accurate. But then the reason we know this is in AMC 8, there's not enough time, basically. So we can't really be sure of it unless you want to do it. But the reason why we know it has to be 9 and 18 is because they had the same overall percentage of baskets scored, which means that if it's lower than that, then they won't have the same average of baskets, same overall percentage of baskets that are scored, which is why we know that it will be 18 minus 9, which means that the answer will be 9, which means that the answer will be C.